What's happening today that we just found out? The parachutes?
Yeah.
There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parachutes in the air. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parachutes. Cool. He's landing. Look, Ben. Ben, look at the parachutist. He's landing on the ground. He just landed over there. Come here. Come here, Ben. Ben. You can't see behind the trees. You see? Look up. Look over this way. See the parachute coming down? 2 of them. And then there's one on top of him. See him? You see?
It's 2 bikes.
2 parachutes.
Guys, it's 2 bikes.
2 sunglasses. What do you see? This is a wonder world of airplanes and parachutes, isn't it? Lots of airplanes and helicopters today. And parachutes. You crazy. Oh, that's a real one.
That's a real one.
Yeah.